From the moment I opened the box, the SmallRig RF05B immediately positioned itself not as a simple portable LED, but as a thoughtfully engineered, all-in-one lighting ecosystem. The packaging is utilitarian yet well-organized, with each component carefully compartmentalized, reinforcing the sense of a professional tool rather than a consumer gadget. Inside, the kit is impressively comprehensive. The main light unit, a soft diffuser, a snoot, a spotlight attachment, a four-leaf barn door system, RGB color filters, a surprisingly generous set of gobos and film slides, a USB-C charging cable, and a soft carrying pouch. What stands out is not just the quantity of accessories, but their practical relevance. This is not filler. Every piece has a clear role in shaping light. The construction is anchored by an aluminum alloy body that conveys durability without unnecessary weight. It strikes a careful balance between portability and structural integrity. One of the defining characteristics is its cinema-grade color accuracy. The light produces tones that are both natural and consistent, especially noticeable in skin tones and product photography. This level of fidelity is typically reserved for larger studio fixtures. The accessory ecosystem is where this light truly differentiates itself. The barn doors allow for directional control, the snoot tightens the beam for dramatic highlights, and the diffuser softens output for more flattering illumination. The gobos introduce texture, projecting patterns that can simulate window light, environmental shadows, or creative backgrounds. In hand, SmallRig RF05B feels more like a precision instrument than a casual accessory. The cylindrical form factor is clean and functional, with a matte finish that resists fingerprints and provides a secure grip during extended use. The OLED display is a standout feature in daily operation. It delivers clear, real-time feedback on brightness levels, color temperature, and battery status. Control is handled through a minimalist button layout that proves intuitive after only a few minutes. The interface avoids unnecessary complexity while still offering granular control over brightness and CCT. The zoom mechanism is smooth and mechanically satisfying. The RF05B is powered by a 2,600 mAh battery that delivers up to around 125 minutes of runtime at 5 watts, making it reliable for most shooting sessions. The 8-watt boost mode adds a useful burst of brightness when needed, though naturally with shorter runtime, around 25 minutes. In practice, this balance between endurance and on-demand power makes it a flexible tool for both controlled setups and fast-paced, on-location work. The SmallRig RF05 BLED video light is a rare example of a compact device that genuinely delivers professional-grade functionality without compromise. It combines high color accuracy, a versatile zoom system, and an unusually rich accessory kit into a cohesive, portable solution. What elevates it further is its reliability in diverse conditions, thanks to solid construction and weather resistance, paired with a user experience that prioritizes clarity and control.